Hi, you're very welcome. And I just want to show you how to create a video here or create a line chart with kind of a suspension bridge effect. So I'm just going to start by putting in some dates, /1/2026. And I want to do it for, let's say, um, and these are, by the way, all these dates are actually in um, month date format. And they've come out like so. All right, leave them as that. And the way I got them formatted like that is that I came up here to this one, number, and then I came down here to custom, and then I just chose this format, MMYY, and it just gives me more space when I'm doing the chart. Now I'm going to do a rand between here because I just want to just generate a set of random numbers. So just go equals rand between. And what I want to do is basically generate a set of random numbers between 5,000. Notice I'm putting in no spaces, and let's say, and 15,000. So this is completely random. And then I press enter, and then I just copy it down or copy it across. Now I don't want them to change because it's what's called a volatile function. So I just do Control C to copy, and then I come up here to paste, and I just paste my values. And now those numbers are fairly stable. Now I want to do this for the forecast. So I come over here to the date, highlight to there, and then I hold down my Control key, go to the forecast, and then I come up here to insert, and then I just choose a line chart up here. I'm just going to choose the first one, resize it a little bit so I get this one. And then what I want to do to get the kind of effect of the lines dropping down from each of these data points, I come over here to my plus, and then I just go to error bars. And basically error bars are kind of used a lot if you want to identify how far something is outside your standard deviation. But for this one, I'm just going to go to more options, and I come up here to this one, and you see here they kind of cross the line. Okay, so I come over here. First thing I do is come over here to this one, and I change the direction to a minus. Okay, so you see now they're dropping below the line. And the one time I have a cap, and I'm going to use a percentage because I want them to go all the way to the bottom. So click percentage, and I just put in 100 here, and then I kind of click outside it. Let's see if that does it. Yeah, it does. That can be a bit fiddly, just so you know that. I kind of have found that to be a little bit fiddly. Okay. Now, the other thing I want to do is put in the numbers into this one. So I just click up here on the chart elements, go to my data labels, click here again, go to more options, and I come over here again to this one over here. And I'm just going to go to my, let's say, label options. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in, let's say, maybe just the series name. I can never remember which it is. So, see, no, I don't want the series name. I want the category name. I want the dates on it, and that's fine. Okay. And then I would probably experiment. See, come down here to label position. Do I want it center? Do I want it to the left, to the right, above? Above seems to work okay. And then I'm going to change the format. So I come over here to this one, and I'm going to choose this one here. Gives me the color there. Label options. Might just experiment maybe with putting them right. Again, this is kind of something I've kind of liked them above. But again, this probably be worth something just to kind of experimenting with, just to see how you get on. All right. Hope you find that useful. Mind yourself and take care. Bye.